In this video we will learn how to generate an attendance request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the attendance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see attendance request form. Click on Add New Request button to add a new request. Next, select an employee whose attendance requisition is to be generated. Select the date. And then enter the required in and out time. Add a reason before submitting a request. After clicking the Submit button, system will show a small pop-up for a successful request submission.